Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we want to make sure that auto rotate is enabled. As you guys can see now, the lock is locked and now it is unlocked. So we want to make sure that we enable our auto rotate, and now we can just grab our phone, see if it works, and we can do that for every single app. For example, some apps just don't support it. As you guys can see, the settings support it. Sometimes there may be an app that just won't support it at all, and it's pretty normal. You cannot do anything to fix that. But if your normal screen rotation is not working, what are we going to do is, after we tested the gyroscope in different apps, we're going to restart the phone to reset the sensors. So we're going to press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart on the left corner. So now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys once it's done. After the restart and now the fresh sensors, what are we going to do as a last resort is update our software to fix any sensor issues. So we're going to go to settings. In the settings, we want to go to my device and we want to tap on the TCL UI. Here we want to make sure that we are on the latest version of our software. It's very important because we don't want any glitches in regards to our screen rotation that's just not working. So make sure that you check for updates regularly, make sure that you update your software, and that's it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.